Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to find trending TikTok hashtags. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your TikTok account. After which you simply click on what? Discover. So guys, these are the various TikTok trending hashtags. So with these hashtags you can simply create a TikTok video and use them, or you can simply use the videos made by these TikTokers to produce your own TikTok videos and get more views on your TikTok account. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.